Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a little bit late in the day here. I'd say it's like 2:30. I had to go do some doctor stuff this morning, so that's always fun. Today would be the first day of our oldies but goodies, and I have managed to do one of my favorite palettes of all time. It's on every list since I started doing lists, and it is Naked Cherry. Now it's odd because I don't really care for most of the Naked palettes. However, this one, oh my gosh, ever since I did it, I'm like, this goes with me if I'm going somewhere, that kind of thing. So you might want to check it out. Maybe not. I don't know. The one thing about this palette which had put me off in the beginning was it's very powdery. But now, this much time later, I don't care about the powdery. I love the palette. Today I have a very short video again. I'm trying to keep them down, guys. By the way, did any of y'all answer the question on your Christmas presents or what you did for New Year's? Which we did absolutely nothing. But to keep you up to date, I guess, my mother had a review of everything that's going on with her right now, and we were told that she absolutely cannot be alone at all. And my sister Kathy and I volunteered. We have to somehow get some sleep during the day. Well, this is really me, and then you stay up all night. Can't go to sleep, that kind of thing. And I'm just coming off of a couple days of doing this. It's hard, but all you can do is, it's your mom, right? So, alright, I will show you the first, this one's half boring, half not boring. Okay, that's not supposed to be there. Here we go. You guys know, if you've been with me for any time at all, this is my ride or die. I never change it. I may try other things occasionally, but nothing ever. And you wouldn't think, it's only, I think it's like $16.99 here. I don't know about anywhere else, but yeah. So I got two of these because I have only one that I'm using right now. I never get it that low, but for whatever reason, I did. The other thing that came in this very small thing from Target, which someone lobbed over our fence. You guys, does anybody have this kind of trouble? They literally just swished it right into our yard, way to the side. We're like, what is that? Anyway, it wasn't broken, so that's good. Okay, and then I didn't even know that this is a Game of Thrones from Revolution, Forever Flawless. Let me show you. This is gorgeous. I didn't... of course, Jason Momoa is in Game of Thrones, so that might have something to do with it. Okay, and this is the... Let me see if I can get it. Anyway, I think this is a beautiful, beautiful palette, and my gosh, I think it was only $15. Yeah. These Revolution ones are really good for your pocketbook and you get a good payoff with it, because generally I found that these don't have any problems. At least not the ones I buy, so I'm not sure about the other ones. Anyway, this is the one. Now this is the fun one that's coming. Yeah, I went to Sephora like I was really not supposed to. But okay, the first thing I'm gonna see, I had to do it. This is an Yves Saint Laurent. What color is it? Nude Transparent, and that's the one I've been looking for. But there's one thing that kind of got me. Okay, first of all, the component is beautiful. It is. I cannot. Wait, let's see. Okay, I couldn't figure out how on earth this is the color. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah. I can't wait to use this one, but no, it does not smell at all. So I was super happy about that. Okay, that's one. You guys, it's just going to get worse. Okay. This is from Lawless, which is fast becoming one of my favorite brands. It is a little bitty eyeshadow palette that's talc free, and it's called the the Winter Beach one. So and this is just a little, I saw it and I'm like, love Lawless, and this is, let's see if I can, that's the thing. That's the thing. Anyway, so I'll be trying this one. I think this was $28. Think about it. This was on sale, and I think it was on sale for $28. So I got, two of them. And then here we go with another one. They did send me, it was my birthday when we went, and we got up to pay, and they're supposed to give you like something little for your birthday. They didn't have anything. I'm thinking, wow, because my birthday was bad to begin with. This was like icing on the cake. But they went ahead and they threw in, this is a fairly expensive moisturizer. There's 3, thingy-madoobies of this. So, we'll see. And I think the girl that was helping me put some more points on my account or whatever. I'm not really sure what that means, but she did tell me that. I don't know. Okay, then I have this Urban Decay. It's one of those 24/7s. And I don't know. This is what it says is in the box, which is, what is it? I don't know. Oh, Woodstock. But let me show you. I don't know why this always happens to me, but it does. Does this look like the same color? I really don't think so. But it's a very pretty color. Let's see if you can see that right there. It is a pretty color. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for, but they had a terrific sale on these again, and that's how I get most of the 24/7s that I have on sale. So there's that. Okay, I don't know where the thing to put it in, I don't know where it went. I lose things a lot. This is not even good. Then, okay, last thing, guys. I did it. I pulled the trigger. It's Natasha to Nona. I swear I couldn't help it. This is a birthday present to myself, so why not? Okay. And it's a very, it's pretty on the outside and very pretty on the inside. I can't wait to get my hands on this. Okay, so that is all that I bought. And let's see. It was $171.04. Okay, I'm going to go crawl off and hide now. Anyway, that was all of my, whatever you call them. Unbagging. Yeah. That's it. Now I'm still waiting on some other stuff that has never come. I don't even know what to do, because we have gotten into the post office's face like a dozen times, and it's just not working. So we're gonna have to, I'm gonna have to figure out. I still don't have that down yet. I'm going to have to figure out what is to be done. Okay, let me see something first. What did I do? Okay, oh, right here. My hair looks like poo-poo today, so okay, probably comes from staying awake when you really don't want to stay awake. Okay, let's do this. This is the look with Naked Cherry, and this is it. I love that palette. Anyway, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell to notify you of all my future videos. And if you enjoyed this video, okay, well, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps. Okay, guys, for all you new people, I appreciate it. For everybody returning, I love you guys. Okay, so no matter where you are, I hope you are well. Stay safe, have some fun, but not too much fun. Oh, Ms. Shay, you are the bomb. So, anyway, bye-bye, guys, and I will see you on the next video.